The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) announces its support to the candidates of NPP in both seats Shillong and Tura in its Lok Sabha elections 2024. Here is the report.
The state BJP delegation led by its president Rikmanjee Momin along with South Shillong legislator Sanbor Shulai today met the national president of NPP, who is also the chief minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma. Talking to media persons after the meeting, Rikmanjee Momin said the BJP delegation has come to convey the message given by the central leadership to Conrad K. Sangma. Momin also reiterated that they will abide to the decision of the party.
Leaders will decide it among themselves. We are the soldiers of the BJP. So whatever the center tell us, we have to abide with that.
So that doesn't mean that...
Whatever the decision, that is all the that's all.
Meanwhile, the South Shillong legislator Sanbor Shulai said the party is willing to support NPP in the state.
There are seats in other states in the northeast where the BJP has to support the other partners, and here also, since yesterday we have got the directive that we should work and support the NPP candidate Srimati Amparin Lungdo.
NPP State President Preston Tensong has welcomed the decision taken by the BJP central leadership and said the party is hopeful of winning both Shillong and Tura seats.
Well, I'm so thankful the decision taken by the highest authority of the BJP, and we really welcome this decision taken, and I'm very sure with their support in both the conferences, we will assure that we are coming out victoriously.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the national president of NPP, welcomes BJP's decision to extend its support to his party in the Lok Sabha elections.
And obviously the support of any individual or any political party coming and supporting us is a positive thing. So therefore, every drop adds to the ocean, as they call it. And therefore, we are very happy, and we are quite hopeful that, as I said, the support that is coming in will have a positive impact on the NPP.
It may be mentioned that the NPP has given ticket to Dr. M. Amparin Lingdo from Shillong seat and Agatha Sangma from Tura seat. It may be also recalled that the state BJP forwarded the names of as many as 11 aspiring candidates to the central leadership. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.